Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change and replace your AirTag battery. So let's get started. So if you have an AirTag like this, really simple. There's a battery inside, and in order to change it out and replace it, first thing you need to do is open it up. So you can see here there's a gap between them, and this is kind of a lid that sits on top that we can actually take off. So in order to do that, you're going to take your thumb and your fingers like this. You're going to press it right about here. So I usually do it right there, and I press it down. You'll see it compresses, and then as you press it down, you're going to rotate it counterclockwise, basically like twist it, and this base metal lid or cover basically pops off because it is locked down by basically this little, as you can see here, spot where it's just clips on. And then you need to replace the battery with a CR2032. Those are the battery types. If you're looking to replace it, you can get it at any store or Amazon. Just look for the CR2032 battery. And the plus side is going to be facing basically on the top like this. So you just take it with your finger and you can kind of take it out. So let's say I grab a new one. You would go ahead and just sit it down like this. Again, the plus sign is on the top and it just sits. And then you would take your cover. Now, the important thing of the cover is that these three little, spots, you want to kind of line it up with the holes. So you're going to basically, as you can see up close, you line them up. And then this time you're going to press and hold again and twist it clockwise. And it just sits, basically locks in position. Remember, clockwise to lock it in, and then counterclockwise, press and hold to basically open it up so you can actually go ahead and replace and change the battery out on your AirTag. And after that, if you're already connected, it should go ahead and connect with your iPhone or your Apple devices, and you should be able to be good to go. So that's how you change and replace it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.